Kalispell Regional Hospital is trying to make healthcare more reachable to those in the community. One way we're doing this is by providing virtual visits to see your doctor or provider using our video conferencing system, Lifesize. I'm going to demonstrate how you would join your provider using Lifesize. I'm going to share my screen. Keep in mind that this demonstration is using a PC computer and calling in over the internet browser. So you'll initially receive a link from your doctor's office, and all you'll have to do is click on that link that is sent to your email. It will open in a Google Chrome browser page. It looks very similar to this. All you have to enter is your name so the doctor knows who they're communicating with. You don't need to do anything for the email, and then select the box that you've reviewed and agreed to the terms and services, and then join the meeting. Once you are in the meeting, if you're the first person there, your screen will look similar to this. It will tell you that you are the only participant in the meeting. Now, once the provider joins, if they mention that they are having difficulty hearing you or you're having difficulty hearing them, if you move your mouse, 3 dots appear on the bottom, and this is your options button. Select that and then select settings. After you've selected settings, a tab opens on the side where you can decide which devices you want to use. Simply select the arrow and then go down the list to find the appropriate device. At the end of the visit, all you'll need to do is select the red button to disconnect.